Back at it again, back at it again. Motivated Moment with Coach J. What's up, Lawn Locos? We're live and direct, man. Let's take a look at Mother Nature. All right, here goes the stare down. Round 2 is about to commence. Going at it. Look at the females up there. Like, what's going on? They fighting for y'all. They are fighting for y'all. Y'all. They are fighting for y'all. Y'all. Hey, it's real out here, man. You're surviving, man. You know, it's Mother Nature, man. Somebody have to sow their royal oats. Somebody has to take care of the female. Y'all! Someone has to take care of y'all. We going at it. We ain't thinking about nothing, man. We taking it to the street. We take it to the street. We take it to the street. Over y'all. It's on and popping. Oh. Joker jumped up and did a 180. Uh-oh. He getting up hand. Oh, he about to pin him. Who's the master? Sure enough. Who's the master? Show up. Oh, he over there. Oh, he's strutting his ish now, boy. He is strutting his stuff now. Look at y'all. Look, ladies. Y'all with me. Look, ladies, come on. Y'all with me. Wow. Mother Nature. Wow. You seen it? You seeing it here, ladies and gentlemen. Live and direct. With Coach J, man, motivated moments, man. We giving you all the moments, man. That was just a moment right there. Look, come on, babies. Y'all remember that scene on Harlem Nights with the boxer in the club? Come on, babies. Look, where they at? They coming. There they go. Look. Stop playing with that man. Look, come on, babies. Stop playing with that man. They coming. Look, they coming too. Now after that fight, I guess I guess that's who's gonna, take care of us this go around. When it's time to lay these eggs and whatever, you know what I'm saying. You know what I'm saying. Hey man, like, share, subscribe, man. Giving you Mother Nature at its finest, man. Had a duck fight, man. They fighting over y'all. Now he gonna go lay down in the shade now. He over here with this other one. He came over here, but they looking, they coming. Look.
Ladies and gentlemen, you see it. Mother Nature at its finest. This is why males fight in the wild. Did you see it, Lawn Locos? That joker let loose and went limp. No pun intended.
In the water. That's why I have to run off all males. This is why I must run off all males. All males may not be around my babies. This is why I fought those 2 males and ran them off. This is why. I am the one that's going to breed and mate with all of the female in the area. Think I'm lying? Huh. Look at the other female from across the yard. Jealous of what just took place. Just a day in the wild for duck. Just a day in the wild. Here she come run up. Here she come running. Look at her. Look. What about me? What about me? Look, he gone. Where he at? She chasing, and here she come. He got to take care of y'all. He takes care of y'all. All y'all. Scallywags. Look, there she go. Y'all. He takes care of y'all. I will get closer, man, but it's raining, man. There he is. There he is. There he is. He going the other way. Look at her. He need a cigarette now. Look at, he need a cigarette. Come on, babies. The other one was following. I'm sorry. Look at that boy crazy. Let me get out the rain. Hey, man, y'all ain't gonna tell me nothing, man. Bishop Don Juan got him in check, man. Look at him. Telling you, man, you win the fight, man. You win everything, man. You the dominant male, man. You proved that. You proved that time and time again. You put down these challengers to try to take your itches from you. Shout out Magic Mike and all the pimps and everything, man. Oh, here he come. Uh-oh. Do we got another battle about to presume, guys? Look, buddy came around the corner from behind the car and see that, there's already a male over there. Uh-oh. Do we got to fight? Come on. Uh-oh. We doing this today? Look at Buddy. We doing this today? Come on, babies. We ain't paying him no mind. Come on, babies. Wow. They ain't paying that dude no mind. Look, come on, babies. Oh, you're a loser, dude. You're the loser. They following Big Daddy. Wah. Look at him. Don't try to follow along and get his leftovers. He on them. They following him, man. They following him. God, Mother Nature's real, boy. He got 2 of them on his arm.